Tax video. Record a video talking about. Have a presentation. Personal information. Last trip, a trip you plan to do in the future. Presentation. Personal information. Hi, my name is Luis Fernando Lopez. I have 46 years old. I am from Bogota, but I have lived for 4 years in Bucaramanga, working with a chain of drugs. I am pharmacy regency student. I like music. I like motorcycles. I like to travel on motorcycles. Last trip. In this occasion, I will be talking of a trip that I made on a motorcycle through some municipalities of Santander in the company of my wife. It all started when we decided to take a trip through Santander. We live Bucaramanga. We found a very good road to the Chicamocha Canyon where we saw beautiful landscapes. We could feel the change in temperatures due to the different climates that were in the area. We continued on ultim. We reached San Hill, where we could see the General Park, which a very tourist place in Santander. There we could stay on the night at dawn the next day. We leave for the municipality El Socorro, well known for its political history in our country. Then we got ready to leave for the municipality of Vélez, where we will eat a very good bocadillo. There we go, finish of the trip to return again Bucaramanga. A trip you plan to do in the future. For the very next future, we will go out to count other municipalities of Santander and perhaps other departments. We will go to Bogota, we will pass through Ibagué. On this trip, we will be able to go by car and thus they will canoe new roads. Thanks.